On today's episode of Mutha Trucker Hunters, Truckmiser goes to the Taylor Martin auction trying to find some good trucks.
All right, going down the middle of Truck Bonanza. Passenger side is really nice looking shape. This truck right here, I mean, that is the only cosmetic problem to it.
To get a better idea of how good the truck is, Truckmiser actually brings a J-Pro with him so he could read all the ECM and see if there's any internal problems with the semi-trucks.
Yeah, it's a good looking truck. Needs some rubber. And I like it.
Not losing hope, Truckmiser gets a phone call with an inside tip that there are over 15 2015 and 2016 Coronados that are glider kits that go for over $60,000 to $80,000 retail price. Hopefully he could get the right price, so he makes his way over there to this disclosed.
So I'll come up on some Coronados, all gliders. I'm not positive of the years quite yet, but 12.7s, I do believe 13 speeds. All supposed to be in really good driving condition. So let's go see.
I don't wanna waste time. Well, remember tonight I found something here with you.
Gray. Of course, this one's got a
Running by the roadside, wait up.
So trying to lift this Coronado hood is like deadlifting 500 pounds, man. I mean, that freaking thing is insanely heavy. A young man showed me just here is where we lift from nowadays, I guess. I'm used to lifting from the front. Who knows? So this is a Fitzgerald build. Look at that. Just a great looking motor. We definitely have to look at miles. I can't see how this would be a 150,000 mile motor. This glider was done by Lone Star Truck Group. I'm not really familiar with their builds, but we'll definitely take a peek and see what they did. Really nice little cuddy cabins. Does it look like it had something there in the past? Don't tell me it's a wake kit. Let's look at this one. I mean, this is a Fitzgerald build. I do believe pre-ELD. Should be a 99 model 12.7s. So we got another day cab, bent bumper, a couple scratches. It needs paint on the frame, but overall, I mean, it's not pitted, it's not eaten through. I mean, oh my word, 153,577. We obviously have to check and see that that's actual. I can't see how it'd be that low. Somebody had a lot of ass. Here's our motor. Take a look at our nothing terrible to talk about. Inside, definitely got a little seepage from the back here. Here's a little mid-roof I like a lot. Bumper's nice and clean. Got the chrome wing. So here's the inside. We got, it's cloth diamond plate in need of some cleanup. Dash looks really nice and sound. Interior is in excellent shape. Of course, so this rig's sitting with 574, and you know, this has been a real common disaster for Columbias. And these little, but they are cheap enough. I can't remember what my last price, but I mean, none of this plastic was really that expensive. Nice, decent wheelbase. Virgin rubbers, Chinese, of course. 10 aluminums. Back frame looks nice, straight. Brakes are, I mean, they're marginal, say 30%. Maybe a little bit more. Man, these trucks are clean. Legacy seats and 13 speeds, full gauge. Got a little refrigerator down below. Wood grain round. Man, they did a jam up job. Make a trucker proud. Drive this down the highway. That 12.7 Detroit, man, you just cannot beat.
Overall, Truckmiser has a budget of $250,000 that he wants to spend on these Coronados. What are your thoughts? Should he get them? Should he not get them? What are your thoughts about the glider kits? Comment down below. Till the next episode.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.